today we are going to install some LED lights, and I'm going to kill this name Xenawer or something. I think it's a W, I think. But yeah, so today we're going to install some 5202 LED lights into the fogs because they're crappy. And let's get started. It's not that bad. It's really easy to put these on. Kind of a pain, but it all like contradicts everything I just said. But you gotta take this off, all the little screws, and then you'll see the LED lights, which I'll show you here in a second. Let's get this open. Before we start mounting them or putting them in, installing them, here are what's inside the box before I forget. So it looks like an instruction warranty or a manual. So, put them in, trace them the right way, just in case you have that kind. And then extend 6-month warranty card, which we'll take out a look later. And here are the bulbs. Look pretty snazzy. So here are the bulbs. So not too crazy, but there's a little fan, I think, somewhere in there, maybe. We'll see. If you're working on a 2009 GMC Yukon, which we're just taking these little bolts off, but it's a 7mm socket. And we'll get these off, and then there's also these little clips which you pull on. And I just got this little thing from Harbor Freight. It was like $5 or something. Super nice. Pull these off. Got that. So I get in there, which make it worse, and it's right there. So we will get them out and changed out. Kind of broke off the little clips because it's cold, but if I need to, I can plug them back in. I'll keep them just in case. Always keep them if they work. Lesson learned. But yeah, I just plugged it in just to make sure it works, because I don't want to get them all in and then turn them on and they don't work. So I always got to test them out. Oh yeah, they are bright. I just want to kind of put them in just in here. Oh yeah, they're way brighter than the stock ones. And it's not even mounted in correctly. Let's put her in, put both sides in. I'm inside. And just to see what they look like, you can't even tell the other side's on at all. Like, you can barely tell. Like, it's a little yellow over there, but that's how bright they are. It's kind of nuts. Like, way brighter, almost brighter than the headlights. Maybe because they're just small, but they're bright. Don't get it wrong. Don't get me wrong. Okay, so we're driving. Let's let this car pass. Okay, so we're out pretty much in the country, nothing's going on. These are your just the low beams. Here's the high beams. It really doesn't change because they're halogens and lame. So now let's flip on the fogs. Like, it lights up everything. Obviously on cameras it doesn't really do the justice it needs to do. Okay, so this is just like a baseball field, and like, it lights up everything. Like, you can't see that tree lit up. It's like Christmas time again. And they look like bluish off on the camera, but they're not. They're like pure white. I don't know why it kind of does that, but I can see. Let's see, watch. Like, you can't see anything out there on camera. I can see a little bit in person, but it like shines everything, like everywhere. So it's a win. This is definitely a win. It's awesome. I love them. They're really nice. I'll put down a link below to buy them and where to get them, and very affordable. Yeah, definitely bright enough. And especially if you have any vehicle that uses a 5202 bulb, and I'm pretty sure the brand has probably more, but check down link below. Like, subscribe, share. It helps me a lot. Thanks for watching. I will post more videos soon.